Yeah.
called Naked Lunch.
Oh, Naked Lunch. I've heard of that.
Yeah. There just are portions where they discuss the different kinds of typewriters they use, and this brand is one of the brands
Oh, really?
that they talk about in the book. And in the book, and also in the film, the typewriters come to life and are secret spies.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, and then they kill people and eat people, and are also killed, and also like look like cockroaches, flies, look like flies. And it's fantastic, and I'm gonna write something better on this.
I know you will, honey. There he goes. He's writing already.
No, this is amazing. This is fantastic.
Oh, I'm so glad.